What would I know about being restored if I never lost my place? What would I know about His mercy if I hadn't gotten out of grace? It sort of reminds me of the prodigal son. After his riotous living, all the evil he had done, yet when he returned, his father received him home, gave him a ring of gold, put him on the robe, killed the fatted calf, gave him something he never ever had. Restoration has finally come. I have been restored back to my place in God. Gonna say it one more time. Restoration finally come. I have been restored back to my place in God. And we just like to say, restore me. Y'all ready? Y'all being restored? Come on. Restore the joy. Yeah. Restore me. Restore the joy. Restore the joy. Everybody say, na, 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 na. Restore me. Yeah, yeah. Restore the joy. Restore the joy. Are y'all being restored? Hey, restore me. Restore me. Na, 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 na. Restore the joy. Yeah. Restore the joy. Hey, I'm restored. I'm restored. And I'm glad about it. I'm restored. And I'm glad about it. I've been renewed. And I'm glad about it. I've been renewed. And I'm glad about it. I'm glad about it. I'm glad about it. I'm glad about it. I'm glad. Everybody say glad. Glad about it. Glad about it. I sing about it. I sing about it. I shout about it. I shout about it. Everybody say glad. 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 Come on, y'all. That's what this consecration is all about. It's time to give God praise. We've been mad doing for a night, but can you see joy? You can see joy right in the midst of the trial. That's why you can say I'm glad. Glad about it. Hey. 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 Glad about it. Na, 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 na. Hey. Y'all know I can praise Him all day. Okay. All right. Hey, glad about it. I sing about it. I shout about it. I praise about it. I'll praise about it. I'll dance about it. I'll dance about it. Everybody say not glad. Glad. I'm just glad.